Welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to make a AI avatar video which is using image like a face from which is created from Midjourney. So I have just I've just given some command to Midjourney, and it has created this beautiful lady which is I'm using for this video creation. So I'm using this DID platform, which is AI platform for making videos using AI avatars. So let's start from the very beginning. You can search for DID. You can just Google for DID, and it should appear first. So after clicking on this, it will take you to this home page where you can request a demo. Means they'll provide, otherwise they will teach you some demo on how to create a video, or like we don't need to try that. But here it is a free trial. Of course this is a paid service, and you can use free trial on which they'll provide you some credits. I think around 20 or 25 credits they'll provide you, and each video you make will cost some of those credits. So that's the thing. So you can just click on free trial, and then it will take you to a different window, basically a sign-in window. Let me show you. So I'm clicking on free trial. So once you click on free trial, it will look like something like this. From here you can just start creating the videos. Okay, so you can choose. So you can either choose from anyone which is previously available here, which are like given by them only. So you can go with these already available avatars, or you can add your own. So there are some conditions that it should be. Let me take you to those conditions. So it will ask you to sign in with Google basically. So once you sign in, you can freely use up to a certain limit. You can use their service. So this is what it is. Let me just show you some things. That the image you are going to add should be less than 10 MB, should be good and in solid lighting conditions, and like this, all the things you need to keep in mind while you upload your own image. Otherwise the images that they are providing us are also a good quality images. So as soon as you click here, it will take you to another window where you can basically sign into this service and can use it up to some limit. So let me sign in with Google. I'm using Google. You can sign in with LinkedIn as well, I think, and you can create your own ID and password. So here you can choose between any of your accounts and get started with your free trial. So I'm just choosing an account to get started. Their home page, you can just click here this button, create video, or you can just add from here, no matter where you do it from. So I'm clicking on add because I don't really want to use any of these pre-existing avatar. So I just click on add. So I will select an image of a lady, and now once you got your image in place, you can either generate a script from here. Like you can try let's take help of ChatGPT. I think it will provide some nice script to us. So let's get this generated from ChatGPT. So I'm already on ChatGPT. Let's search for. So I just type a topic, like create a script for an AI girl who is introducing herself to the world. So let's click on enter. Let's see what it generates for us. Okay, so here ChatGPT is giving it a name, area. I think this much is enough for this short video. So let's it's saying that hello world, my name is Area, and Okay, you can read that pretty much all the stuff. So I'm copying this much data, going back to the DID portal. Okay, so I'll just paste the whole data right here. So uh, it's in place now, everything is fine. So here are some AI generated things that it will analyze uh, what script you have entered previously, and based on that it can generate its own words and phrases and everything, and it will continue speaking, and just it won't stop. It will add off some things of its own, so we won't be doing this much complicated stuff. We can now listen to the voice of area. Basically there is area also available. We can choose any sound. For now we'll go with Jenny, and here are some different options that where she's an assistant, or she's talking on a chat. She's sad, excited. Let's go with excited. Would like to be excited to see this. Okay, so if you want to play this, just click on uh, this little listen button, and it will start speaking, but say the avatar won't move, or it's not like it will speak. It will only speak when you generate the whole video. Okay, so just we'll listen to voice of Jenny.
Hello, world! My name is Arya, and I am an AI girl. I was created to assist and make your lives easier. I am here to introduce myself and let you know a little bit more about who I am and what I can do.
Okay, so it's fine, like nothing bad, but let's just try some other voice also.
Hello, world. My name is Arya and I am an AI girl.
Okay, this one is also a perfect one. We'll try to some UK stuff, and well, you can go with anyone.
Hello, world. My name is Arya and I am an AI girl. I was created to assist and make your lives easier. I am here to introduce myself and let you know a little bit more about who I am.
Yeah. I think this one is better among all the others. So I'd like to go with this, but here you can see that there are no styles. Okay, so the advantage of using United States English is that you'll get styles. You can choose from different styles, whether she's angry or she's cheerful or she's excited. You can choose between many. So let's try a area only, and we'll go with United States English only for this video.
Hello, world. My name is Arya, and I am an AI girl.
Okay, so I think this is fine. Style, yeah, we'll set it to cheerful.
Hello, world. My name is Arya, and I am an AI girl.
Okay, so I think this is nice, and now you need to click on generate video button, and it will show how many credits you have left, and how much will it require to produce this video. So just I'm clicking on this generate button. It will calculate the amount of like words we are using, the stuff we have included and the image, and based on that it will just give us some approximate value about the credits it will cost. So let's wait for a okay. It will cost 7 credits. Not so not bad. Okay, we can easily generate. And so guys, previously it was like showing us 7 credits, but now I have made some changes to the voice, and 1 credit is increased. But I think I can just delete some of the stuff. Let's check whether number of credits that are going to require will be reduced or not. So let's delete this, some of this stuff. We really don't need this much to talk. Oh, I think this is more than enough. So let's again, we'll create on generate video. Okay, so it actually depends on the number of words you want your AI to speak. It actually depends upon that also. So here only four credits, like not a big deal, but I think I can still reduce it to very low. But okay, that's actually good. So I'm generating it. Let's see how much time it takes and how will it function in the end. I think the video is ready, and I didn't give any new name to this particular video, but obviously you can edit the name. So let's try to play it and download how it sounds. Let's look into that. Okay, so here I can.
My name is
Name it
Arya,
to
and I am an AI girl
Arya.
created by Vedant. I was created using Midjourney, but DID
Okay,
made
so
me alive,
I
and
think it's
ChatGPT
quite good to see that girl talking.
gave me some nice words to speak. I am here to introduce myself as a mind-blowing technology, and this YouTube.
So from here you can delete your project. From here you can check the speed. You can increase the speed or decrease the speed, but
channel can
just
teach
for playing the video. And from here you can download this video. So I'm downloading the same. It's getting downloaded, I think. Okay, download is complete. I can now see it on my desktop. So that's what for this tutorial. Hope you like this. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like the video. Leave a comment if you what more technologies you want to explore, and subscribe the channel. And I will see you in the next